Good morning. Welcome to Serenity on Fish River, South Fairhope, Marlow. We are at 14651 Ridge Road. We're out in their pier. This house is going on the market today or tomorrow. It's September 25th. What we got here is $1 million view and a free house. You see the birds flying over here. Everything across the river is state-owned land, estuary. This view's only going to get better. It'll never change. Look out here. It is a beautiful day here on Fish River. Got 115 feet, bulkheaded riverfront, pier, 2 covered slips. The house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's got 23. Oh, that guy just got his lunch right there. Hope that picked up. Here he comes. He's headed this way. Look at him. Oh, there's an 8. $2,366 square feet of living area. Plus, we've got over 550 square foot Riverview veranda. Oh, he got one. Got him. We're going to look at this house is high and dry. It's on Ridge Road, folks. It's on the ridge. We walk right down to the pier. Boat, swim, crab, fish. Just a wonderful place. This home is ready for immediate occupancy. Get you moved in this week. Three-bedroom, 2.5 bath, $1 million. So let's get going. Could sit here all day. Alrighty. So we got a drop down crabbing pier down here. Okay. And there is 2 covered slips. And we get the first view of the house. Like I said, it's on Ridge Road. It's up on a ridge, high and dry. The house is in flood zone X, exempt from flood insurance. Exempt, folks. Water's never been anywhere near the house. You know, that's Fish River's a great place to be. There we are. Nobody wants to deal with a flood, and you sure won't have to here. The bulkhead is in excellent condition, built to last. Pier's stained. It's a custom built home. Folks that built this is a one owner, and they built it and have maintained it for life, and they sure didn't want to leave, I tell you right now. But it's your opportunity of a lifetime. Have a beautiful home on Fish River, high and dry. All the benefits of being on the river and none of the worry about flooding. On Ridge Road. 14651 Ridge Road with South Fairhope, Fairhope Utilities. Mature landscaping. And you see we're starting up the hill here. Right here's about as high as the water's ever gotten, even in that 500-year flood we had. Right in here. nowhere near the home. Okay, so now all the lattice work, you can see have doors. It's hinged. Let me see, if you can see right there and there. So those open up. Not moisture, not damp, not a bit under there. You can get under there for storage. And then of course you got it's over 550 square feet of Riverview veranda. We're going to take a good look at. Let's turn back around real quick. Let's take a look back. There's your 2 covered slips. Your pier. Looking out across Fish River. So, roof's in excellent shape. All right. You can see the doors where the lattice is hinged and locked there. Now we're standing at the bottom of the stairs going up to the home. Another look back out. Beautiful serenity on Fish River. Let's go on up. Sailor's home. Sailor's home. Who's here? Well, hi, VV.
Come on in.
Your sailor's home.
I'm
Ah,
so happy.
all righty. Here we are.
It's so beautiful.
It is. Let's take a look from here. Here we are. Yes.
So peaceful, too.
Yes, indeed. And we're going to walk right in here into the great room. Soaring over 18 foot high ceilings. The balcony for the upstairs. Got a bedroom on each end. Here and over here with the bathroom in the middle. We'll take a look up there in just a minute. Leaded glass entry door from the road. Real oak strip, the real stuff, the 2 1/4, the real oak hardwood floors. Like I said, this is a custom built home. Wood burning fireplace with a gas starter. And there's the view. What do we have here, VV? Oh, dining room. Beautiful. It is. Let's go on in. Antique chandelier, crystal chandelier, complete with crown molding and chair rail all the way around the room. Really dresses this dining room up. And what about that? Oh my goodness. Whoo!
Absolutely beautiful with the butterflies. I mean,
That's right. What a beautiful place. As you can see, it's ready. All this home needs is you.
you want to come look on this side from this angle? It's
Yeah.
so beautiful.
That's right. There we are. All righty. Where are we going now, VV?
Let's go in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. All righty.
And I'll close these doors.
Okay. View looking out into the great room. You saw the pocket glass doors. Great effect here. And we've got, going into the kitchen, we got split brick floors. And lots of real wood cabinets.
Very solid.
Gourmet kitchen. We got the cooktop and French door fridge.
Yes, it's a storage.
Freezer.
Shelves.
Right. Okay, we got separate microwave, built-in oven, dishwasher, 3 centimeter granite. A nice detailed edge. I believe this is St. Cecilia. No, my granite. Oh, we got pantry.
Yes, lots of storage.
Lots of storage in the pantry. All right. And more real wood bookshelves there. And what do we have out here? Okay, side porch, all right. There you are, there's a view from here. Now, this is a great place. I'm sticking with a Riverview veranda myself, but awning covered entry, brick home, everything. Nice big brick gable, strong construction. And
We'll check this out. This is the laundry room.
the laundry with the laundry sink
Yeah.
and higher ceilings in here. Hey, lots of hang space, plenty of room in the laundry. And we're gonna go into the garage. Now, this garage is 20 feet, 2 inches wide. So you got a full 2 parking places here. You got storage above. It's like I said, we got storage under the home. We got storage above the garage. And then we got, guys, we got an air-conditioned workshop.
Can you believe it?
I'm telling you what, look at there. So you got plenty of room to work in here in the AC. All right, here we go. And where are we going now, Vivi?
I'll let you go ahead.
Okay. Out we go. I love the hardwood floors. Now this is real oak hardwood floors. Gonna go see the big owner suite. All right. Okay, we've got some fresh carpet and paint in here. Got a coffered ceiling. Guess the bed goes right there because those switches on the wall, what do they do? Those are for the lights above?
Yeah,
Show us,
if you don't-
Vivi.
If you don't want to get out.
You don't have to get out of bed to turn the lights on and off. Like that. Oh, there's one for each side. Beautiful.
There's separate ones for if you just want to do one light at a time.
Right, okay. So, yeah, so we got that. All right.
And we've got the
And okay. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm on the. What do you have there?
his and her closet.
His and hers closets. Wonderful. Lots of storage. Again, love that.
And we have a little closet area right here.
Yes. I like that for linens.
Tub, shower.
Glass block window.
Yeah, that's pretty.
It's beautiful. It's with the
Sun coming out.
mm-hmm.
Our little water
Yeah,
closet.
water closet. Absolutely.
Plenty of
And
privacy.
that's right. That's a 6-foot jetted tub. Lots and lots of room there. On out. Oh, look at here. So now let's just say I'm standing where the bed goes, and look at there.
Look.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. That's it. You want to go on? We can take a peek at that. We didn't really see the Riverview veranda. Look at that. Over 550 square feet, covered Riverview veranda on your 115th waterfront feet here on Fish River. So this is just walking out the owner's suite. Beautiful place to wake up to every day.
New carpet.
That's right. Carpet is plush, very comfortable. And we're going to go upstairs. All right. Again, we got the leaded glass entry door from the roadside. And looking out there, there's that roadside entry view. And we'll go up the stairs, wood spindles. Got wood on the end of the treads and then carpeted stairs. On up we
Nice handrails.
It is, yeah. Solid wood, more wooden spindles with the balcony view here.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah, I love those floors. It is breathtaking. Okay, where are we going into
Bathroom.
the bathroom? Okay, let's
And there's a little closet back behind the door.
Okay, we got tub shower.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, that's a cast iron tub with poured marble surround. And what were you talking about? You said, the linen closet.
Yes,
You want
right.
to show us that?
Yes.
Okay. There we are. So you got the linen closet up here for the upstairs bath.
And
You know, now we got 766 feet up here. It's 1832 on the main level. So 766 up here, 2 bedrooms and full bath, multiple closet. Oh, look
Isn't
at
that
that.
gorgeous?
There it is. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Window bench. Did you tell me that opened up, Vivi?
Yeah.
Sure does.
Storage.
Yeah, great.
You can sit here and read a book. Look how beautiful
Oh,
it is.
it is. It's wonderful.
It's lovely.
Oh, yeah. There you are. Okay. Get a good look. The roof is in great shape. And here's some attic storage. Floored. Okay, this is bedroom number 2. And we've got a cathedral ceiling in the dormer also. I don't want to miss that. You can see that goes on up.
It's really pretty.
It is.
Then we got a regular closet.
Regular walk-in closet here in bedroom number 2.
And the attic access.
Righty. Okay. And more attic access here with some floored storage. I got geothermal cooling and heating in this home. Keeps the bills low. So you got hard pipe for the duct, well insulated. See real plywood on the roof. Great construction. All right. One more bedroom?
Yeah.
Let's go take a look. Again, we've just got great view from up here. And that's the upstairs AC in this little closet here. Oh, we got another dormer. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. A window bench. And right out there.
It's gorgeous. Absolutely.
It is.
Gorgeous. And look,
Beautiful.
we've got some more storage here again.
Okay, see that? And we're going to have this is a real closet. I remember this. So this one is carpeted, hanging shelves, lots there, and got a carpet. All the upstairs is carpet except for the bathroom, of course, tile. And
Lots
we've
of
got
room here.
2 closets. Plus, we got 2 here, and then another closet. So you actually got 3 closets in this bedroom.
And then there's another
And
little-
you got more attic access, right? Okay, there we are. This is wonderful.
It does.
Okay, we'll go on down. All right,
After you.
right. So again, we're at 14651 Ridge Road, South Fairhope, Marlowe area. Got 2,366 square feet of living area. And down here on this level, again, we're at 1832. We talked the leaded glass road entry, right? And we've got a coat closet, and then this is the AC closet for the downstairs, separate units.
Correct. And then
And this is our half bath,
Yes.
our powder room, right? So nobody has to barge in one of the other bathrooms. Your visitors have their own place to go to the bathroom, as it should be. We're back in the great room. Look back again at those right, we got the dining. We'll go back, take one more look at these soaring ceilings. There's the balcony. We were just up there. 2 bedrooms, bathroom upstairs, a bedroom, full bath, half bath down here, and oh man, there we go. This is it. This is it. This is your $1 million view. You get the house for free. Y'all come on by. We'll get you moved right in. See you soon. God bless you. Roll Tide.